Hi everyone, I'm Yong and I'll be presenting on behalf of my team for this ongoing capstone project. Our team focused on drone frame optimization, specifically for the agricultural sector. The group members of the project include Koit, the group leader, Julian, Ngan Peng, Jevan, Kumar, and me, Yong. The problem statement talking about the disadvantages of using drones in precision agriculture include limited flight duration due to battery life. And the problem statement also talked about the difficulty in assembling and disabling it, as well as high initial purchase cost. So, this is the drone that we are proposing as a prototype. For the project objective, our design has a reduced body frame weight, which leads to a larger flight duration due to its lightweight. Also, we have replaced the pipes that were initially made of carbon fiber into engineering plastic, which has resulted in a lower initial purchase cost. Last but not least, the design has an easy fastening mechanism with the use of locking pins. For the simulation, a Von Mises stress simulation was conducted on a plate of drone to obtain the stress and displacement yield with a force of 30 Newton on each side. The highest value of stress is 1.199 micronewton per meter square, locating at the corners of the plate. The highest displacement obtained is 1.947 micrometers, occurring at the edge of the corners of the plate. For the fastening mechanism, the locking pins is used to assemble the propeller pipe with a propeller holder. Other than that, it is also used to assemble the landing gear with the bracket, landing gear with the spraying tank holder, as well as the landing gear and the base. For another fastening mechanism, this is a conventional fastening mechanism using the M3 hex socket head screw with a threaded insert is used to assemble the landing gear set with the plate. Also, the assembly of the spraying tank holder and the landing gear set is using the same fastening method, so the spraying tank can be inserted easily. Once the tank is in place, locking pins will be used to secure the tank from slipping out. So that's all is for the video of this project, of the capstone project. Thank you.